Okay, this goes talking. Pretty fun, really. You get faced with unique challenges. Now, you have to hit that P-switch in order to get your first star medal. Now, you have 3 rooms here. Each one contains a box, as you saw. So, head here. You might both stand here for this one, because the star medal will go to you. Like that, and simply get it. Now, if you put on your 3D, it helps a lot, because you can't really see where the platforms are. So yeah, just my recommendation. Do that. Head over here, and that's your final star medal. Now, head over here, go here, jump, and you know, I thought there was a checkpoint somewhere. I don't know though. I thought there was, but I don't know where it would be. Go there and continue running. You should meet a big boo, and you can use this platform here to jump over. Enter the doorway, and get a 1-up. See you guys next time.